Do you make plans every day?
Yes, I always make brief plans for the day when I wake up and try to keep up with it because I have different tasks for each day.
Are you good at managing your time?
Kind of, yes. Sometimes I get really irritated when something suddenly comes up and ruins my plan, but generally, I'm good at handling things and managing time.
What is the latest plan you made?
Try to finish everything by the end of the week so that I can enjoy my weekend. It's very unlikely to happen, but I will try my best.
What is the hardest part about making plans?
Some unexpected changes in my case. When I'm doing something according to my plan, there's always some things happening that I need to deal with quite instantly. That's the hardest part for me to handle.
I can think of Portobello Road in London as a colorful place. It's a really famous street in a place called Notting Hill in London. There are lots of different colored houses on that road. The outer walls of houses are colored sky blue, pink, yellow and pale purple, and especially in spring and summer, there are lots of flowers which make the street even more colorful. Portobello Road is famous for its antique market called Portobello Market. It's usually held on weekends, so lots of people visit there. As well as that, there is a really famous bookshop down the road, which was in the film called Notting Hill, so the place is basically one of the tourist spots. It's kind of a memorable place for me as I visited there tons of times while I was living in London. I liked the atmosphere of the place and the market so much, so whenever the market was held, I just went there. It's still one of my favorite places. Also, it's one of the most colorful places in London. All the buildings there were unique because of their colorful appearances, and they all looked gorgeous and vibrant when the weather was great. I really want to visit there again. Is color important for clothing?
I guess so. Clothing can look different when it is in unique design or color. Actually, color plays an important part in how clothes make us look and appear to other people. Also, fashionable color choices show the image we are trying to portray.
Should course books be colorful?
Yes, I think so. I wouldn't choose any course books with full of texts or without any colorful images as it looks boring. I'm sure colorful course books stimulate learners' attention when they study.
What color do you think people would choose when decorating their houses?
Well, from my surroundings, people usually choose white or beige for house decoration. People want to feel calm and relaxed when they come home, so those achromatic colors are always popular.
Do you think the color of a company's uniform represents the image of the company?
Yes, I think so. All companies want to brand their organizations, and one of the ways to do that is reflecting their symbolic color, name, or signs in uniforms. By seeing those uniforms, people can easily figure out what the company values and want to show to the public.